What do we got?
What?
What do we got?
We got a bunch of pumpkins.
What you got? You got your own pumpkin?
I believe you're missing something.
Your own googly-eye pumpkin? Get you, eat it! Get you, eat it! Get you, rah, 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 rah. Get you, rah, rah, rah. You're just going to eat it up, huh? Oh.
Mom, are you done with your pumpkin? He likes the pumpkin. He's trying to fit it in his mouth. Luke's kissing the pumpkin.
Get you. Ah. Did you figure out it's not edible? No, you ready to try again?
It would have been better and easier, but not that cool.
That mummy's going to be hard.
Mine's going to be hard.
Wait, it shows it on there?
Awesome. What about mine? I told you it's going to look cool.
I already knew it was going to look cool.
No,
yours is. Mom, what does Isaac's look like? You have all of them on the back?